How to study less and get higher grades. There are two types of students. The first studies for 6 hours straight. They highlight everything. They reread the same chapter twice. They feel exhausted. The second studies for 2 focused hours. Closes the book. Sleeps peacefully. And somehow gets the better grade. Why? Because grades aren't about how long you study. They're about how well you study. Here's how to study less and actually perform better. Efficiency beats exhaustion. Number 1, stop measuring time. Measure effectiveness. Most students are obsessed with hours. I studied 5 hours today. But what happened during those 5 hours? Rereading notes feels productive. Highlighting feels productive. But neither forces your brain to think. Instead, use active recall. Close the book. Ask yourself questions. Try to explain the topic out loud. If you can't explain it clearly, you don't understand it yet. Testing yourself is uncomfortable. That's why it works. Struggle equals growth. Number 2, start with questions, not chapters. One of the biggest mistakes students make is reading from page 1 to the end. That's slow and inefficient. Instead, start with the questions at the back of the chapter. Look at summaries first. Scan key terms. This tells your brain what matters. Now when you read, you're searching for answers, not just moving your eyes across the page. Studying becomes targeted, not random. Direction creates efficiency. Number 3, use time limits. If you give yourself 4 hours to study, you'll take 4 hours. If you give yourself 1 hour, you'll focus differently. Set a timer. Short sessions. High intensity. When time feels limited, distractions feel expensive. You stop checking your phone. You stop rereading the same sentence. Pressure creates clarity. Limit time, increase intensity. Number 4, focus only on weak areas. Most students waste time reviewing what they already know. It feels good to read familiar material. But growth happens in confusion. Identify what you don't understand. Circle it. Highlight it. Write it down. Spend 70% of your time there. If something feels easy, move on. Smart studying isn't comfortable. It's precise. Comfort maintains. Precision improves. Number 5, group similar tasks together. Switching between math, writing, and reading constantly drains mental energy. Your brain needs time to adjust to different thinking styles. Instead, batch similar tasks. Do all problem solving together. Do all writing together. Do all memorization together. Fewer mental resets, more momentum. Protect your focus, build momentum. Here's the truth. Studying longer doesn't guarantee better grades. Studying smarter does. Focus on recall. Focus on weak points. Use time pressure. Study with intention. Because the goal isn't to feel busy. It's to get results. If you apply even one of these strategies consistently, you'll spend less time studying and see better outcomes. Work smarter. Your future self will thank you. Busy is easy. Effective is powerful. Thanks for watching. This is Actually Productive, where discipline beats motivation and consistency builds real results. Subscribe if you're ready to improve quietly. See you in the next one.